Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. We got a brand new TWS in the house and this one is from Skullcandy. The brand is back after quite some time with a new model and this particular one is called as the Mod. It's a brand new TWS guys and comes in this sort of box packaging. Says pocket sized and customized. Yes, the Mod are like fully customizable. You can tune the EQ profile on them. Button mapping is also supported. Plenty of features are there and the brand looks like they've sent us two different color variants. We have the white and black edition as well, and this is what we'll be unboxing and talking about in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. At the top you got some paperwork. Make sure to read that. Keeping that aside, here's the TWS guys. First we'll check out the black edition and after that we'll check out the white as well in this video. And there you go, our first look at the TWS case. Pretty decent looking design. Oh wow. We'll just come back to the case in a moment and talk about that. Along with that, you get a Type-C cable for charging, very minimalistic design. And lastly, some extra pair of ear tips. And that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now, let me give you a closer look and show you how the Skullcandy Mod TWS looks like. We've got both the color variants in the hands, guys. White edition as well as black edition side by side. And initial impressions, I have to say, I love this grayish white sort of finish, guys. Look at this. It's got a dual color tone finish. Has sky blue accents everywhere and definitely looks better than the black edition. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Design, build quality, very good. It's also quite portable and compact, weighs only around 54.5 grams. You've got the Skullcandy logo over here. Build quality is also nice, entirely made of polycarbonate material. And there's nothing at the back side. On the bottom you've got a tiny status LED indicator followed by a Type-C port for charging. And this is how the interior of the case looks like. Love the sky blue accent over here. And what I'll do is I'll just take the TWS out and show you how the earbuds look like. There you go, Skullcandy's Mod TWS in the hand in grey finish. And boy, look at this. Quite beautiful, right? They're very compact and lightweight, guys. You've got the Skullcandy logo here and looks like you got physical buttons on both of them. No touch controls, followed by a Bluetooth status LED indicator as well. Dual tone finish, matte and glossy finish on the bottom. Charging contacts are over here. Quality of the ear tips is also nice. Feels soft and durable. And not to forget, these TWS are also IP55 rated as well. So what I'll do is I'll just set them up, use them for some time and then be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so I've been using the Mod TWS for over a week now. So first let me tell you about the comfort. The Mod TWS are lightweight and offer a snug fit. Feel quite comfortable while using. Noise isolation is also great, and on top of that, these buds were IP55 rated, right? So you can even use them during workouts. No need to worry about the sweat. Now coming to the controls, as I've told you, these buds have physical buttons. Now it's got both plus and minus. So first let me tell you about the plus points. Good thing is these buttons are like fully customizable. You can use the Skullcandy app to customize the single click operation, double click and even triple click settings. But the downside is these buttons were like really hard to press and were not that convenient. Instead, I felt the brand should have really went for touch controls over here. Now anyways, coming back to the sound, Skullcandy never disappoints with the audio. Mod features 6mm drivers on board and were producing Skullcandy's signature level sound. They were a bit on the bass forward side on the overall. Mids felt crisp and clear, good vocal clarity. I could easily understand all sorts of dialogues in any sort of music content, and treble was also fine but a bit less emphasized. And coming to the bass, wow, low frequency response was very good over here. It had that solid kick in the bass. If you're a guy who loves bass or low frequency, right, you're gonna instantly like this TWS. Distortion was also minimum, even up to 95% volume level, and audio output also high and satisfactory. Good thing is the EQ profile on this TWS is like fully customizable using Skullcandy's app. You can choose between like 3 different profiles: music, movie and podcast, and you even have like a custom setting so you can custom tweak the EQ as per your requirement. Now apart from that, one more new feature they've added is stay aware mode. So when you toggle this via the onboard button on the TWS will amplify the external sounds via the mic to let you know about your surroundings. It was working well and I felt it was a pretty useful feature. Okay, now you might get a question about the mic. How's the quality? Well, I'd say microphone quality was like above average at this price point. The other person could easily hear you, understand you, not an issue at all, but on the overall quality could have been better. And lastly, coming to the battery life, okay, this is something I have to appreciate. Skullcandy's Mod offer pretty good battery life over here. Per charge, the TWS offer around 6.5 to 7 hours of battery life, and the case can additionally charge them up to 3.5 times. So totally, you can expect around 31 to 32 hours of battery life. And yes, they support fast charging as well. A 10-minute charge will give you around 2 hours of playtime. Well, that's it. Our video on Skullcandy's all new mod TWS. Beautiful looking design, especially the grey edition, guys. They're IP55 rated, offer multi-point connectivity, environment awareness is also there, excellent battery life and music quality as well. But as I've told you, a few things I was missing over here. No touch controls. Physical buttons were quite hard to press and only has like SBC and AAC codecs. No aptics over here, and considering the price point, I felt the brand could have added something like ANC as well over here. So what do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. The mod TWS cost around 5,999 rupees in Indian market. Links for that will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about them. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.